And we're here with the queens. First with the Queen of Cubao, Pilar, and the real queens of Binibining Pilipinas 2024 and her court. And we are going to ask Pilar, are you going to be a beauty queen one day?
No.
No. Why?
Papi.
Anak ng celebrity couple na sina Corina Sanchez at Mar Rojas na si Pilar tila nakikitaan ng maraming netizens na may future ito bilang isang beauty queen, mula sa official Instagram account ng celebrity mom at news anchor na si Corina Sanchez ay proud at masaya nitong ibinahagi at ibinida sa publiko ang iilang larawan at videos ng anak na si Pilar na kasama niyang dumalo sa 60th anniversary at rehearsal ng Binibining Pilipinas 2024. Sa mga videos at mga larawan na naibahagi ay makikita natin na kasama ni Corina Sanchez ang iilang kandidata sa Binibining Pilipinas. Naroon nga si Corina Sanchez upang isa-isang i-interview ang mga kandidatang sasali sa naturang pageant. Makikita din sa mga larawan na naroon si Pilar na kasama ang kanyang ina at nakasuot pa nga ito ng crown na akala mo ay isa din sa mga kandidata bilang beauty queen. Napakaganda naman kasi ni Pilar sa suot nito lalo na at naglagay pa ito ng crown sa kanyang ulo. Sa video ay mapapanood naman na tinanong nga ni Corina Sanchez ang anak na si Pilar kung gusto nitong maging isang beauty queen in the future. Agad namang sumagot ng no si Pilar dahil umano ay ayaw ng kanyang puppy na si Mar Rojas na maging isa siyang beauty queen. Kalakip ang mga larawan at videos ay narito naman ang naging buong caption ni Corina Sanchez. I've been replaced in my own show, and who is this impostor? Feeling beauty queen. Well, enjoy it girl. Just until Papi finds out. These newest queens from the just concluded Binibining Pilipinas 2024 have unusually inspiring stories of victory over adversity. We needed a tissue box nearby for all the tears during our storytelling, but, guess what? They now wear their crowns. Watch Corina interviews tonight at 6 p.m. on Net25, right after the comedy series Goodwill. Thanks for the fun visit, Pilar.
And we're here with the queens. First with the Queen of Cubao, Pilar, and the real queens of Binibining Pilipinas 2024 and her court. And we are going to ask Pilar, are you going to be a beauty queen one day?
No.
No. Why?
Papi doesn't like.
Papi doesn't like. Buti na lang like ng mga papi nila. So, abangan on Corina Interviews, the Binibining Pilipinas Court for 2024. Ta-da! What's happening? What's happening? Pepe, what are you wearing on your head? Oh no! Oh no! And Cola? What's happening with you? What's happening with you? It's a crazy Saturday morning. So this is our mother-daughter taas kilay moment. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.